Okay, this is a review of the Novotel Suites at Geneva Airport. I'm in room 301, which is on the 3rd floor. It's a corner room, and this is a triple room. Got air conditioning, toilets just here. So you have a toilet, the basin, liquid soap. Important note, do not forget Switzerland has this type of socket. 2 pins, the 3rd pin is for earth. A normal Euro plug, the round ones, will not fit here. So this is the room. You've got a table, very comfortable bed, microwave, little fridge. You've got a, oh sorry, the light doesn't work here. There is a light that's broken. There's a sink here, there is a kettle, and there's some coffee and teas. There is a round plug if you have a Euro adapter by the desk area, which is quite helpful. So you can plug stuff in here. This is a pull-out bed. And then you have this really strange TV stand. You've got next to the bed a small radio which has a USB powered port. It's a decent one, 5 volts, 2.1 amps. So that's good enough for an iPad. The plugs next to the bed are the small ones for Switzerland. And then you've got the bathroom. Sorry. Then you have the safe. Got the bathroom. Got some toiletries. Hairdryer. Liquid soap. And a shower. It's one of those ones where it's like a capsule that they've placed in. This is a bit weird, so you wouldn't want to share this room with people you aren't comfortable with. There are some gaps. Got some hanging space there. I didn't know that. And your other hanging space is by the door. This hotel is a few minutes away from the airport. You could probably walk it. Sorry, it's a dark night. Next door is an Ibis hotel. Breakfast was quite nice. Have a look at the video. It has the cool pancake machines. I do like those. Right, that's it.